Dayton, that's not nice.
Are you kidding me?
He's gyrating.
Come on, we'll carry you.
Go away.
Skateboard up.
Ew.
Come on, Shay, let's go.
Go up with Pokey.
So, you want to take high part or small part? Small part. Small part. Alright, you gotta listen to Pokey. Okay, so you don't crash. Alright? Alright, hop on. There, don't let go. I got you. You can let go. Put your feet up here. Alright, you want to crash? You gotta put your feet right here. Yep. Now, use your hands to push you. Yeah. Alright. Alright, you can use your feet. You can use your feet. Are you taking a video? Nice job, girl. Nice going. Put your feet up. Put your feet up, Baker. Uh-oh. Are you going to crash and roll? Here, I'll help you. All right, help us. I got it. Ready? Are you going to crash? Okay, go. Oh! No, roll, crash and roll down the hill. Okay, there it goes. Oh, wait, hold on. Here we go. Hold on tight. Okay, crash. Crash. Roll video, man. All right, we want to see mine. Ready, Mom? All right. This is epic crash. Skateboard down to that hill. Alright, you want to do a little first? Come on, bring your skateboard up here. Don't sit back there. Right there, yep. Feet up. Are you going to do crashes? Do the feet up like you were doing, like this. Oh, you bringing it up here? I want you to help me. Alright, here I come. Alright, I got you. Can you do feet up? Are you going to crash? Lay back a minute. If you get going fast, you gotta put your toes up, okay? Here you go, go! Hold up! Hold up and use hands now. Oh, he crashed. Oh. Alright, ready? Ready? Okay, wave your big checkered line. Here we go. Big check. Here I go. Woo! Wow! I say you're good. Go for it. No, hop on the scooter. Hop on the bike. What is it?
It's a skateboard.
Yeah, right. Hey, up the hill. Go, go, go. You want to ride the gyro? Pokey skateboard?
Yep. Do it harder. Step on it harder. There you go.
Come on, Chayton. We're switching to bikes. Okay. Right behind you. Here I go. Gonna scare the ducks. Take a video of this. I just scared the ducks.
I saw you.